Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop. Okay children, sit in your places. Coming to the point, why parents and teachers are very important? Tell me. Parents and teachers very important for us. Why? Because parents very important role in our lives and their children's. Yes or no? And teachers also, they very important role in the lives of their children's. Yes or no? Who are in the school, teachers should role important role, because which is good, which is bad, everything who will say? Teachers. As in parents also, they will say which one is good, which one is bad, which is bad thing, which is good thing, everything the parent will say. Parents after teacher. As they have to build a solid foundation for their kids. Parents. Yes or no? Understood children? What they will do? They have to build a solid foundation for their kids in their order for them to have successful life. Yes or no? Parents will build solid foundation for their kids. Yes, like that only teachers also. Every student should be build a solid foundation in their lives, like that. Understood? Both are very important, teacher and parent. Understood children? You should give respect to your parent and teachers. Understood? When we are doing subtraction or problem, we should know the keywords. As children, see, keywords, subtraction keywords. How much left? Find the other. Which is lesser? How much more? Find the difference. Remain. Minus. More than. Fewer than. Less. Take away. Decrease by. How many more? ER types words like faster, larger, shorter, slower, higher. See, again I will read. Subtraction keywords. How much left? Find the other. Which is lesser? How much more? Find the difference. Remain. Minus. More than. Fewer than. Less. Take away. Decreased by. How many more? ER type words like faster, larger, shorter, slower, higher. Step 1. Read and understand. What do I need to find out? Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation to be used. Step 4. Finally, solve the problem. Understood children? First step, what is that? Read and understand. What do I need to find out? Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. decide the operation be used. Step 4. Finally solve the problem. Understood, children? These all you should keep it in the mind. See, keywords of the subtraction. Already you know addition keywords. Now subtraction keywords. Understood? When you are doing word problem, you should follow these steps first. Understood? First read and understand what do I need to find out. Again, step 2, find the information given in the problem. Step 3, decide the operation to be used. Step 4, finally solve the problem. Understood, children? Children, everyone open your workbook. Applications. Short answer questions now. 312 birds were sitting on a tree. Some birds flew away. Now there are 231 birds on the tree. How many birds flew away? What you have to do? First you should read the question and you should understand that. You know the keywords of the subtraction and you should know the steps also. Already I told you previous class. Today also I will give you that. You should see in the video. Okay? And after that you should read the question. Again you should understand that question. Okay? See, 312 birds were sitting on a tree. Some birds flew away. Now there are 231 birds on the tree. How many birds flew away? See, 17th one, solution. Number of birds on the tree. How many number of birds on the tree? See, birds sit. See, 312 birds were sitting on the tree. Yes, 312 birds. Understood? Number of birds flew away. Some birds flew away. Okay. There are 231 birds on the tree. How many birds flew away? See, number of birds remaining. After some flew away. How many flew away after? How many birds are there? 231 birds. Yes. Now you should minus 312 minus 231 you should do. Yes. Number of birds that flew away is equal to 312 minus 231 is equal to, what you have to do? You should do minus. As first you should draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. As see, 312 minus 231. As in the 2 you should cut 1. 1 after 2. 1 finger. That one you should write here. Year 3, year 1. It will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow from here. Year to year. Year 11, year 2. In the 11 you should minus 3. 3 after up to 11 you should count. As 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many dots? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. That 8 you should write here. Understood? 2 minus 2? 0. How many birds remaining? See, how many flew away? Sorry. How many birds flew away? 81 birds flew away. Understood, children? There are, therefore, 81 birds flew away. Understood, children? See, first you should read the question properly and you should understand the question. After that, you should write the steps. Understood, children? Children, 18th one. There is 850 gram of sugar in a bowl. Akbar used 645 grams of sugar for making alwa. How much sugar is left in the bowl? See? There is how many grams? 850 grams sugar in a bowl. Akbar used 645 grams of sugar for making alwa. Understood? How much sugar left in the bowl? See, quantity you should write. 18th one. Quantity of sugar in a bowl. How much? 850 grams. As quantity of Akbar used making alwa. As quantity of sugar used by Akbar. How much? How much? 645 grams. Yes. Now, what you have to find? Quantity of sugar left in the bowl. You should count. See, you should find quantity of sugar left in a bowl. Yes. Then what you have to do? 850 grams minus 645 grams. Yes. Now, should draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, 850 minus 645. Yes. In the 0, 5 will go? No. What you have to do? You should borrow from next place. Here 10, here 4. In the 10, you should minus 5. 5 after, up to 10 you should count. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers came? 5. That 5 you should write here. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 6, 6 after up to 8 you should count. 6 after 7, 8. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 we should write here. How much left? 205 grams left. Understood, children? 205 grams left. See, therefore 205 grams of sugar left in a bowl. Okay? Should copy in the workbook. Copy it properly, ma. Children, 19th one. Long answer question. 6,348 children went on a picnic at a bus stop. Some more children got into some of the buses. When they reached the picnic spot, there were 7,821 children altogether. How many children got into the buses at the bus stop? See, children, again I will read. See, 6,348 children went on a picnic. At a bus stop, some more children got into some of the buses. When they reached the picnic spot, there were 7,821 children altogether. How many children got into the buses at the bus stop? You should find this as number of children who went on a picnic. First, 18th one solution. Number of children who went on a picnic. How many? 6,348. Yes. Total number of children that reached the picnic spot. How many? Tell me. How many reached in this picnic spot? 7,821. Yes. What you have to do? You should find the number of students got into the buses. Yes. This number of students who got into the buses at the bus stop. Is equal to 7,821 minus 6,348. What is that answer will come? How will come? You should do the minus. First of all, you should draw the place value chart. See, 4-digit numbers. That's why ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now, 7,821 minus 6,348. In the one, 8 will go? No. You should take borrow from year. Year 11, year 1. Yes. In the 11, 8 will go? Yes, it will go. 8 after up to 11 you should count. 8 after 9, 10, 11. How many fingers came? 3. The 3 you should write year. Year 1, year 4. It will go? No. Again you should take borrow from year. Year 7, year 11. In the 11, 4 will go? Yes, it will go. 4 after up to 11 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers came? 7. Yes, that 7 you should write here. Year 7, year 3. In the 7, 3 will go? Yes, it will go. 3 after up to 7 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write here. Year 7, year 6. In the 7, 6 will go? Yes, it will go. 6 after 7, only 1. That 1 you should write. How many? 1,473. Understood, children? Therefore, 1,473 students got into the buses at the bus stop. Understood? Copy properly. Three more is there. That one I will give tomorrow. Okay? Today this 3 enough. You should copy in the workbook and you should practice that. Understood, children?